Assalamu guys, welcome back to Bunny Vlog, welcome back to Bunny Day. I've just come back from Maryland, East Park Road, and I'm having my dinner right now. And guys, I've actually bought a fish burger, and it comes in this box. So as you can see, that's a burger, and it's got tomato meal sauce in it, it's got the fish, it's got cheese in it. I'm going to give you a quick taste, let you guys know what I think of it. Absolutely amazing. It's really crunchy, tasty, delicious, amazing burger, and you can't go wrong. It comes with a small packet of chips, and it's quite warm as well. I'm going to give it chips a quick try as well. Absolutely amazing cooked and proper freshly cooked, and you can't go wrong for a fish burger meal, £5, and it comes with apatango. This is one of my favorite apatangos, and I'm going to give this a quick try as well. Now that is really ice cold. The taste is amazing, the flavor is amazing, and if you're looking for a healthy drink, apatango is one of your drinks as well to have, and all of this for £5, and you can't go wrong, and you won't be disappointed. Amazing price. I would pay £5 for a burger meal, even if it costing me to pay that much. And pop down to Maryland, East Park Road, and grab your hands on a fish burger meal, and you won't be disappointed. The best fish burger that I have had to date. And don't forget to follow me on TikTok, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will be back inshallah very soon indeed with a brand new vlog. Take care guys, see you soon at that place. Shabbat Khair, peace out, bye.